We're going to have a TikTok wedding.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Tenen. Ay, graduation pala yun. Graduation.
Too fast again!
Let's go. Wedding song. Okay, here we go.
Wedding march.
Ten. Here we go. Wedding song. Yung Beautiful in White, right?
Yeah.
Beautiful in White. Okay.
Wedding.
All right. Everybody, TikTok Philippines. You are gonna witnessing the best ever moment of TikTok live. The wedding of Kylie and Ethan. Asan yung tugtog? Ba't ako yung naglalakad? Ako yung dapat yung pupuntahan niya eh. Oh, Ethan, Boss Robin is now handling Kylie to you. Say hi to Boss Robin.
Yeah.
Oh, he's so cute! Hindi lang ko.
All right, now get Kylie now. Put her into your arms. So the two of you is walking now. Mamatay kayo sa inggit, mga diponggol. All right. Moment of silence. Everyone in the building, 3,000, 4,000 viewers, we're going to be witnessing the unbroken and never be broken vow of the two of this. Magre-reload lang ako ng English, guys, ha? Magre-reload lang ako. All right, Ethan. Okay. Will you be with Kylie through happiness and sadness, through rich and poor?
Yes.
Yes. Kylie, will you be with Ethan forever and ever through happiness and sadness until she can reach the remote control?
Yes.
All right. Now you may kiss the bride. I announce you husband and wife. Iko-content ko to, Bea. Aray mo. Oy, thank you so much, ha. Grabe. Ay! Honeymoon. Thank you so much.
Bye na, wag honeymoon.
Bye-bye, Ethan and Kylie. Bye-bye.